How to mask out text in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hello video editors. Want to create engaging text animations with masked out effects in Adobe Premiere Pro? Let's explore how to mask out text to reveal underlying video content. Let's dive in. Start by importing your video footage and adding the text you want to mask out onto the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. Select the text layer in the timeline, then go to the Effect Controls panel. Locate the Opacity property and click on the pen tool next to it to create a shape mask. Use the pen tool to draw a shape mask over the area of the text that you want to reveal the underlying video content. Be precise with your mask shape to achieve the desired effect. After drawing the mask shape, you can adjust the mask path by dragging the control points. Additionally, adjust the feathering of the mask to soften the edges and blend the text with the background. For dynamic effects, you can animate the mask path over time to reveal the text gradually. Use keyframes to animate the mask path properties in the Effect Controls panel and the positioning options. Experiment with different mask settings such as expansion, opacity, and inverted masks to achieve the desired look and feel for your text animation. Preview the text animation with the masked out effect applied. Make any necessary adjustments to the mask shape, feathering, or animation timing to refine the appearance of the text. Once you're satisfied with the masked out text effect, save your Premiere Pro project to preserve your work and allow for further edits in the future. When you're ready to share your video with the masked out text effect, go to File, Export, Media to export your project as a video file in the desired format. And fantastic job! You've successfully learned how to mask out text in Adobe Premiere Pro to create captivating text animations with revealing effects. Keep experimenting with different masking techniques and animation styles to elevate your video editing skills. Happy editing! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.